So earlier we showed how to model um, a dividing a whole number by a unit fraction. And tomorrow we will look at how to model dividing a unit fraction by a whole number. Just wanted to let you know that we will be taking a look at that tomorrow. But first, let's do a couple more examples of dividing our unit fractions and whole numbers. So let's take a look at 1/2 divided by 3. So remember, dividing fractions. That's what we're doing. So what do? We keep the dividend, multiply by the reciprocal. So if we keep the dividend, remember our dividend is our first number on this side of the division symbol. So that's why we say that first, because it's the first number. We keep the dividend first. That's what we do with this number. So let's go ahead and keep our 1/2. Multiply, okay, so change our division symbol to a multiplication symbol, by the reciprocal. So we are going to use the reciprocal of 3. Well, 3 as a fraction is 3/1, right? So what is that flipped? 1/3. Okay, so 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. So 1/2 divided by 3 is equal to 1/6. Now remember, we started with a fraction and we ended with a fraction. Now we're going to start with the whole number 2 and divide it by 1/2. If we start with a whole number, what should our quotient be? If you said a whole number, you would be correct. But here we're dividing fractions, so we're going to keep the dividend. What's my dividend? It's the first number 2, so we're going to keep 2. Multiply by, okay, so we're going to multiply 2 by the reciprocal. Well, let's flip 1/2. What is the reciprocal of 1/2? That would be 2/1, and that's actually the same as 2, right? So we could either just look at this as 2 times 2, or we could turn them both into fractions because we're going to get the exact same answer. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. Remember how we said if we started with a whole number, we're going to end with a whole number. Well, is 4/1 a whole number? It is. It's an improper fraction, and we say that 1 goes into 4 times, so our answer is 4. So we did get a whole number for our answer. Now here is your assignment for today. There are a few modeling questions, and then you are dividing whole numbers by unit fractions. So if you're dividing your whole numbers by unit fractions, what should your answers be? All right. Okay. So remember, if you have any questions, be sure and ask, and I will see you tomorrow.